About how small it looks on you.
So today, got a special surprise. I'm adding another solar panel to the solar setup I have up here. Adding this little 70-50 watt cheap sine wave inverter. Where's the other solar panel? Ah, there's the first one. I'm adding this one. This one is actually nice and not cracked. It's a 25 watt panel. That one's cracked and crap, but still holds a voltage. And yeah, we're just putting it on this chunker battery I took off the street. It might be old, but it holds a good 12.5 volts still. Hopefully I can keep it up with these two panels now. Better than just one. And the inverter I got right here, I've had this for a long, look at all that dust. And yeah, so this I just added a switch because I don't want it to be connected all the time because it draws about 30 or 300 milliamps, duh. Either way, so this is a little cute switch, and this is what I'm using as little clamp-ons right here, is these little screw holders. Here's a better one. So you see this screws in, tightens here. I'm going to wind the wire around the outside here, so it gives it pretty good surface area contact with the node right here. And where's the solar charger? This is the ditzy charger I'm using, and down there it's just connected to the lights downstairs, so pretty cool. And then there's the light up there. So wish me luck. Here I'm just twisting the negatives, make a more stable wire. I'm gonna crimp. And here we're just twisting her on. Sure it's a good on there. Oh. And now as this clamps down on here, it will also crimp the wire, so yeah. This is hard to do while filming. Oh, come on to focus. Oh my gosh. Nice. Oh, that nice and tight, but I had good contact. Probably should still cover it with something, don't want to short. Just to make sure we have our polarity right and everything's working. I'll put that on. Hey, yeah, we got good light polarity. Get it. And now if I got everything hooked up, that's on, and this has power, 120 volts. So now I can run lighting much farther because DC 12 volts falls off quite fast, but AC power, despite the inverter losses, can go very, very far. So I can put lights anywhere I want. Gotta be wasting power like that. Now I'm gonna just put these solar panels in parallel and make sure they are pointing south, which I think is that way or this way. Anyways, we will see. I also brought all my soldering equipment, blowtorch, solder, seal wrap, in case it needs to be done. I did try to put a sketchy third floor on here. Oh God. Woo! Oh no, don't blow wind. You can see the whole thing move when you're up here. Oh my god, the wind's blowing. No. Look at that little porch. It's that golden. So I threw the solar panels up here in a tree. They're pretty close to the ideal angle right here. Yeah, 35, 40 degrees because I'm a little higher north. And they're pointed pretty much directly south over there. Just hunky-dory. We'll see how this holds up. I've built many things that have been crippled by the weather before. We have 2 points of failure here. It will just rest on the tree here if these both fail. And to keep it from swinging too much, we have this and this. And we have this holding it up here, and this is a completely separate system. So everything has about 2 points of failure. And yeah, then we got the cords down there. So this should definitely give us some more juice. Great. Got everything wired up. That's on. The voltage is too low on the panels right now for charging, but I should know next time I'm up here if it's working. Right now these terminals are at 12.26 volts, so we got to see a good increase by the time I come back. I just need to drill a hole for an out port. It's a good electrical box. I had to splice the two panels together, so, but it's working. Man, if that comes off, it's real sturdy. It's not a heavy load, but the winds can get pretty thrashy, and the snow. But if it breaks, we will fix it.